You can earn $15 for every person that buys our 4 to 6 month-long Chinese language certification course. This is suitable for learners who have zero knowledge of Chinese, and these lessons are taught in a group class setting with our lecturer at specified time slots weekly. Once the syllabus is completed, we have an international exam which student will be told to visit our exam centers physically and sit exam, and once passed it will be awarded the certification directly from China. This qualification can help student to unlock new career pathways without needing for extra knowledge or qualifications. For example, high school graduates complete our program and obtain this certification and then proceed to apply to work in star-rated hotels that have lots of Chinese tourists visiting them in job posts such as front desk officer. This is same for most of the job titles we have listed here. Besides that, our qualification also helps students who want to apply for scholarship or visa to visit China too. This means that the student who buys this course have several opportunities to make a big return on their investment. Plus, many parents want their children above grade 3 to join our course because when they are younger they can easily catch the language. And even students that have passion for Chinese culture and wanting to communicate better with Chinese people/friends also learn through us. Besides this, our course is also joined by students that have Chinese as a subject in school, which means they need tuition or tutoring classes after school. This makes it very easy for you to promote this service and make lots of money. Find the link in description to join the partner program.